In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. Not sponsored, by the way. This one. When your app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent and click on this gear at the top left corner to access all of those options and adjust your wallpaper however you want to. You can even tap on presets on the left and tap on one of those. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, you can click on this X at the top right corner, check out your wallpaper and make some changes by going back. Like for example, I will make it slower. Then click at the bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Apply and decide where. In this pop-up you need to hit Try It and tap on Apply again. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!